Hello YouTube, this is an alcohol review of Bird Dog Whiskey Devil Dog. It's cayenne and cocoa. 70 proof, 35% alcohol by volume. Down below they want to call themselves Pero Diablo. Kind of funny. Nothing on the back to read past a certain general warning. And a small notation saying caramel color added. So, this is what we get. It is a deep caramel with a hint of red to it. I find these colors deceptive in that the bottle states caramel color added. So take the color as you will, which actually is par for the course when it comes to milk whiskeys. It is thick on the side of the glass. The nose is much like a Hershey bar. Very heavy cocoa, very heavy chocolate. But you can tell there's something off about it. There's something not wrong, just off. The first sip, you were blasted with cocoa. Just absolutely hit in the face with chocolate. But there's a heat to it. There's no real whiskey taste at all that comes up. The more you taste, much more of the cocoa comes out. It's already just smashing in the face with it, and as well as the heat. And the heat has no other taste other than heat. So it just creeps up and blends in with that cocoa. So you really can't escape it. And then it starts to coat the mouth. If you ever had the Bird Dog chocolate, it's the exact same effect. But obviously no heat. This has that accompanying slow broil heat to it. I've had this mixed in with cocktails. Interesting twist. Obviously straight. It's fairly good. If you like your chocolate, you'll like this. If you like heat, obviously you'll really like this. You'll like those two together. But please note, and I can't seem to stress this enough, it starts to build and coat the palate. Before long, all you're going to taste is spicy chocolate. So keep that in mind when you try this. Time of year, I would say this is definitely a dessert whiskey meant for winter time. Way too much body for summer. So when the snow is flying and you want something to round out end of an evening, this might be something to try. The reason why I say with much speculation is the fact that heat is a bit odd for the American palate, but there's some in this country is so big, it's hard to really narrow that down to anything. It's just peculiar. Not bad, just very peculiar. Worth the money, definitely. But I'm not sure if this would be a everyday sipper, especially if you're a huge chocolate fan. I'm not sure if you would be sipping on this all the time. But definitely worth the money. So give it a try. This is Bird Dog, Devil Dog. Any comments down below, please. Or better yet, go out, buy it, try it yourself, and make a video reviewing this particular product. And let the rest of us on the YouTube community know your thoughts on Bird Dog's Devil Dog. And until next time, keep on drinking.